Hello, Muraho. This is Eloy from Elmark Limited in Rwanda.
Nitwa Fabien Bizabarimana, hano ni muri Elmark. Company tugira ibikoresho bya Ronix.
So me as an architect, I believe these machines will do quite justice because you find that most equipment here, they are very useful and they're very powerful. We all know about what they say about German machines.
It's a high precision, portable and good price. We have hand tools, we have mnemonic tools, we have the power tools.
Ronix ni company igira ibikoresho byiza.
I've used the drill machine, I've used the blower, I've used even the sanding machine as well. And you find it's really done some good work for me.
We'd like you to come to our shop and buy these goods. They're good for your DIY projects, they're good for your big projects, and at a very good price.
Ni ibikoresho tubifite ku giciro cyiza, gihendukiye buri wese. Dufitemo byo abakenera mu bwubatsi bakoresha, dufitemo by'abakora mu baje bakoresha, abatera amarangi, dufitemo twatuma dutera amarangi.
And I will forever be using Ronix.
Come one, come all.